Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Aine, and on this channel I share useful immigration information. Okay, so if you're looking to travel abroad through the school or through the work route, then you should consider subscribing to my channel because I share useful information on a regular basis. Today I'm going to be talking about some jobs that just opened up in an amazing province in Canada. So whether you are inside of Canada already and looking to change your employment, or you're outside of Canada and looking for job opportunities to help you migrate to Canada, then this is the video for you. Okay, some of these jobs lies in industries like the automotive industry and caregiving industry. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you details about these job offers and how you can apply immediately. So let's get started. I'm going to be displaying my screen right now. Okay, I'm going to show you the site where you can go apply. I'm going to show you the job offers available and how you can apply immediately. So guys, I have talked about this particular company. If you are not new on my channel, then you probably know that I have talked about Work Global Canada a lot. Okay, basically this is an international recruitment and immigration agency, and what they do is they connect potential employers with employees both in Canada and outside of Canada. This is the website, but I'm going to be showing you the specific openings that are available right now. Okay, these ones are just fresh and they just came up on the market. So if you're opportune to see this video early, then you should get right into applying. So here we have auto body collision technicians, body and paint. This is one of the job offers available. Okay, so if you are an auto body technician, then you should go ahead to apply. How can you apply? You have to apply through their website. I'm going to be taking you through their website very soon. So let's just go over all the job openings available right now. Next, we have auto body repairer. Okay, if this is your area of specialization, then you're in luck. You can apply on their website. Okay, the next here is the heavy equipment operator. They are hiring heavy equipment operators, and if you are one, you're lucky. Next one is the automotive technician. Okay, if you are an automotive technician, and you can apply. And finally, we have caregiver. Okay, so if you're a caregiver, you are needed. So this particular job opening is for those who already have an open work permit. Probably you're about to come into Canada on an open work permit, or you are already in Canada on an open work permit or a PGWP, which is a postgraduate work permit. Then this is definitely one you want to apply for. So to apply for this particular job offer, you need to apply directly to their email address, as you can see on my screen, owp@workglobalcanada.com. Okay, so if you're applying for this particular role, there's no need to go through their website. You want to go straight into sending them an email. If you can, to boost your chances, attach a cover letter to this application. Okay, and I'm sure that you would stand a very good chance of being called. And if you do not have a Canadian standard resume, as I would always say, try and get it ready. Okay, so if you need help writing a resume, feel free to use the links in the description, okay, to get expert help writing your resume. Okay, so that is all for this. So I'm going to be taking you guys to the next page. This is the Work Global Canada website, how you can apply to a lot of these jobs. Now, this is the website. I will be leaving the link in the description, so you can just click on it and it will bring you right to the screen you can see here. So the website is called workglobalcanada.com. Okay, it is an international recruitment and immigration agency. So you can see here, are you a business owner looking for recruitment options, or are you an international prospect looking for immigration pathway options to Canada? Then these are the options for you. So whether you are an employer looking for candidates outside and within Canada to fill in some positions in your organization, then Work Global Canada can actually help you, connect you with potential employees, okay, both within and outside of Canada. So now I'm going to be focusing on the individual category here. So if you are an individual looking to work in Canada, then you want to click on this particular button. Okay, as you can see, it says for international prospects interested in immigrating to Atlantic Canada. So this is mainly for international applicants. So if you're looking to apply for, let's say, the caregiver job offer that I just showed you guys, then you should be sending an email to their email address, which I've already shown you in this video. Okay, this is strictly for international applicants. So you want to click here, and when you do that, you should be met with a page that shows you all the available job listings, as you can see. Okay, so now what you want to do is those jobs I just showed you, you want to take the name, search here, okay, and then apply directly. And the reason it's best to do that is because a lot of these openings, some of them might be outdated, some of them might be older. Okay, so in order for you to get the up-to-date job offers that are fresh on the market, it means that you want to take those job titles that I have shown you, type it in the search bar, and go right into applying. So let's see. I can see automatic service technician. So let's click on it and see where it leads us to. So here you can see automotive service technician in Kentville, Nova Scotia. Okay, you can review the job offer. It says the employer is Bruce Mazda. Okay, it was updated on the 25th of October 2024, which is pretty recent. It's going to be advertised until November 24th. So you want to get right into applying ASAP. Okay, salary is $27 per hour. And the language requirement is English language. It is located in Kentville, Nova Scotia. This is the NOC, okay? And there are 4 vacancies. This is actually amazing. There are 4 vacancies for this particular position, and hours per week for work is 42 hours per week, okay? And you're going to be paid $27 per hour, so you can calculate that to know how much you're likely to earn on an average every week in Canada. So now let's scroll down to see more about this job offer. You can see that language requirement is English, okay? Education, you can have a trade certificate or a diploma in the specific industry you're trying to apply to, or if you have equivalent experience in that field, it's fantastic. So let's say 5 years or more experience as an automotive service technician. It also equates to having a trade certificate or a diploma in this particular field, okay? It's an on-site job, so you cannot work remotely. You have to find a way to get your work permit to actually migrate to Canada to work. This is the kind of work environment, okay? This is the work setting, and these are your responsibilities. It's actually very straight to the point. Additional information, you want to have a driver's license, okay? And what condition is that it is a fast-paced environment, okay? And you can come here and read more about it. So if you want to apply, you simply click apply now, okay guys? And once you've clicked on apply now, you can see that this is a page where you need to actually sign in if you already have an account. And if you do not have an account with them, this is the point where you need to create one, okay? You click on create one, and then you fill in your necessary details and you register. Once you register, you can update your name, your email address, your password, you can authenticate this account, and then you fill your general profile, which involves you uploading your resume, your cover letter, information about your family that is related to this particular job offer, and all other necessary information. So about the other openings, all you want to do is take the job title, okay? Come to the site that I just shown you, search for the specific job offer, look at the date. Closer the date of the posting, the higher the chances you can actually get called, because when the job offer has been in the market for a long time, chances are they've probably filled up those positions. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the posting date. And that's why those jobs I just showed you guys using those flyers are up to date, they are recent. So you want to take the name auto body collision technician and go and search and apply. I hope that this was helpful, guys. I hope that you go right into applying. If you do not have your resumes, like I said before, click the link in the description, okay? There are a lot of links there that can help you get expert help with your resume, so you can pay from wherever you are in the world, whether you're in Africa, in Europe, or in America, even in Asia. You can definitely make a payment via those platforms. Thank you, guys, and until my next video, I hope you stay kind and stay blessed. Bye.